Have you heard the term online business manager, but you're not exactly sure what that is? Or maybe you're already a virtual assistant and you're wondering, how does the online business manager or OBM life compare to being a virtual assistant? If that's what you're curious about, this video is for you. Before we get into it, my name is Abby Ashley and this is my YouTube channel. You found me. I teach about all things virtual assistants, working from home. If you've ever thought about starting your own at-home business, you are in the right place. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click the bell to be notified every single time I release a new video. Let me paint a picture for you. What if you could use your administrative skills to work with 6- and 7-figure business owners, being the integrator to their visionary ideas? If that sounds interesting to you, then an online business manager job may be perfect for your personality. In this video, I'm going to show you what an OBM is, the benefits of becoming an OBM, and how to know if you're ready to make the shift from virtual assistant to online business manager. Let's get to it. Let's go ahead and answer that first question. What is an OBM? Typically, you can see OBMs or online business managers operating in 4 main areas. Those 4 main areas are project management, operations management, metrics management, and people management. First off is project management. These are the tasks that need to get done, right? So you would be managing the actual projects that are on the table at that point in the business. This also means helping prioritize projects. Maybe the client wants to do XYZ, but you know ABC needs to come first. It would be up to you to step in and say, hey, I think that it would be best if we prioritize these projects above these others. You'll also be dealing with operations management. This means all things workflows and systems. It could involve how you invoice or bill or how you delegate projects, right? So it can involve your team as well, but really, what are the systems and the workflows? How is everything running systematically? How can you make this business a well-oiled machine? That would be on your shoulders as an OBM. Metrics management. Do you love diving into the numbers of things? One of the most beneficial things for a visionary who sometimes aren't as keen on metrics, I'm pointing at myself right now, one of the best things that you can have is a right-hand person, an OBM, that is setting up the metrics for you. You love tracking metrics. This could be open rates. These could be creating job scorecards for the employees. These could be any kind of numbers, looking at your financials on a month-to-month basis. But do you love looking at the numbers and seeing what story do these numbers tell? It's amazing what can be done when you really track the metrics inside of a business, and this is one of the things that you would be doing. And lastly, people management. It's all about the team. Most likely, somebody hiring an OBM will have a team of people, and rather than the team of people coming directly to the client, they'll be coming to you first to solve their problems, to ask their questions, right? You would be managing people. So if you love working with the team, if you love managing people, an OBM may be a great fit for you. All right, so maybe you're listening to this and you're like, oh, Abby, yes, this is totally sounding like me. What is next? Let's go on to the benefits. Let's just make it even better than it already is, right? Let's go on to some of the benefits of becoming an online business manager. You know, I know there are a lot of VAs watching this video, and for some of you, you love the VA life. You love that freedom and flexibility that comes with becoming a virtual assistant. But for some of you, there's something more. You feel it inside you and you don't really know how you want to scale your business, especially if you're more of the admin type, right? For people who are creatives or technical people, they can go on and they can maybe do Pinterest management or build websites or learn how to do these massive sales funnels. But you're a type A person. You love the admin side of things. You like managing people, but you don't know how to scale that portion of your talents. Online business management could be perfect. One of the benefits of becoming an online business manager is that you get to upgrade that title, right? You're upgrading the title from assistant to manager. And there are so many benefits that come with that higher level service. One of the main benefits of upping to that higher level service is you can charge more, right? I know that it's something that we all want. How do I scale? How do I grow my business? Well, OBMs can charge anywhere $1,500, $2,000 for 20-hour retainers. I've seen it happen all the time. And so if that's something that you're looking to do, man, I want to work more on a retainer basis. I don't want to work hourly as much, but I do want to make more money using my administrative and my managerial skills. OBM may be perfect. I know this is another huge benefit, is that you'll be working with your clients and not just for your clients. I think that that strategic partnership, feeling that you are the right-hand person to something really, really big, is a huge benefit. It means less doing and more leading. It means less task taking and more delegation and management. And for some of you, that's just the perfect next step. It also means that you will be working a lot of times with less clients, and that means that you'll be able to do deeper work with the clients that you do have. What are you thinking so far? Do you think OBM may be the right fit for you? If so, let me know in those comments. And lastly, let's talk about how you can know if you are ready to make the shift from virtual assistant to OBM. The short answer is this: if you've been working as a virtual assistant and you already know that you are good at these tasks, that this is the way that you want to scale, it doesn't matter how long you've been a VA, if you feel it inside of you, then this is the next step for you. But if you're still kind of on the fence, let me ask you a few questions to see if this could be a good fit. Are you great at jumping into the chaos of online business and sorting it out? When you hear a great idea, are you the kind of person that just naturally thinks through all the steps of how you're actually going to make it happen? Are you the kind of person that knows how to manage clients, how to keep them happy, while at the same time sticking to your boundaries? That's an important one. Are you already fairly savvy with online marketing systems and software? If all of these apply to you, then yes, you are ready to take the leap to becoming an online business manager. If online business management seems like something that you would love to be a part of, then I want to invite you to a very special training put on by my good friend, Sarah Nokehead. Sarah is an expert online business manager trainer, and she also certifies OBMs to go out into the online world and start working with high-level clients. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you click the link below this video to be a part of her very special and free training. And hey, if you want to meet with other people just like you, virtual assistants, online business managers, people still having no idea if they're a VA or an OBM but wanting to figure it out, then I have a community just for you. We have over 40,000 members in our VA Savvies community, and I would love for you to join us. Hop on over to thevirtualsavvy.com/community to join us. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you like the video, that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Guys, I release new content all the time that's going to help you start your own at-home business. You won't want to miss when I release a new video, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned, I've got more videos coming up right after this one. Like, as soon as this one's over, you can click another one. Just binge watch, right? We all love to do that. Grab some popcorn, watch some more videos about how you can BYOB, be your own boss.